Hello, how you going? I'm just here to do another EDC video. So this is a pocket dump, all the things that I carry in my pockets every day. This is the actual EDC that I have. I've got my other kits. I'll link the video up here. Those are the ones that I carry around in my backpack or in my work bag, but this is the stuff that I have in my pockets pretty much all the time wherever I go. So first things first, I have my wallet. This is just a simple leather wallet. I'm still a weirdo who carries a full wallet with actual cash in it. I haven't succumbed to the slim wallet trend yet. I probably will at some stage. This is just a Rip Curl wallet that I bought at an outlet store. And yeah, that's that. Next, I have my phone. I carry a Samsung A72. This is a mid-range phone rather than a flagship. It still does a great job. It has great cameras involved. This is a few years old, but it's still working fine. I'll probably upgrade at some point, but this is still doing a good job in the meantime. Next, I have my car key. This is quite obvious what it's for. This is a car key for our Prius V. I really like that car. It's great with fuel efficiency. It's got lots of room. We've had it for about 4 or 5 years. Great car. Next, I have my house keys and other keys. I've got them on an Orbit key organizer. This thing's great. It keeps them nice and compact in the pocket. And yeah, I've got a few keys on there. Plus I've got a couple of extras on this one. Firstly, I have a Swiss Tech key knife or Utility, clunky name, but this fits on keys, looks like a key, but when you open it up, it has a simple blade there, it has a serrated blade there, a bottle opener there, flat screwdriver, mini flat screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver on the end there. I find this thing great. I use it quite regularly, mostly opening packages and that type of stuff, but it's really handy when you need it. Next on these keys, I have just this little thing. This came from eBay or somewhere for a couple of dollars. It's largely used as a bottle opener. It's also got a file on the top and a pointy bit there, which I think is for a flat screwdriver, but I use that mostly for piercing things. And yeah, that's just a useful thing to have, mostly the bottle opener and the piercing function. Next thing I have is a little bottle of hand sanitizer. You can probably guess why I've been carrying that for the last few years. I just refill this from a big bottle on my desk when I need to. And yeah, it's great to have, and I don't have to worry about how many people have touched things that I'm touching out in the open. The next thing I have is just a little lip balm. I've got a Blistex. I've been carrying that one for a while. It's really useful when I'm spending time outside, just spending time in the sun, making sure I'm protected. And if my lips get a bit dry, that's really useful to have. The next thing I have is one of these little pocket packs of Listerine. They're a little strips, put it on your tongue, and that helps after a meal with fresh breath, that type of thing. I'd forgotten about these entirely and then saw them randomly in a shop a few months ago, and yeah, I've been carrying them ever since. They are great. The next thing I have is just this little coin that I found randomly on Amazon. All of the things in this video, if you want any of them, I'll put a link down in the description so you can link to them easily. So this is just a coin that has yes on one side and no on the other. It's just a fun little thing for, yeah, making decisions or just for playing with, for fiddling with, that type of stuff. Okay, next I have a set of headphones. I carry these ones mostly. I've got a few sets of random buds around, but I carry these ones because this is the JBL 110 BT. They're Bluetooth. They're still corded to a degree, but it means that you can hang them around your neck when you're not using them, and you're less likely to lose them, earbuds and that type of stuff. I quite like these. They've got good sound quality. They've got a good microphone for calls and that type of stuff, so that's why I carry those ones. Okay, so the last thing I have in my pockets is a camera. Now, given that I've got a phone with a decent camera, this seems like an odd choice, but I find that I take more photos and are looking for more video opportunities when I have an actual camera in my pocket rather than if I've just got my phone. For some reason, it just reminds me to take photos and video when I can. So that's why I carry this one. I've got the G9X Mark II, the Canon, and I really like this one. It's got full manual control if I need it. It takes really good quality video. I'm not 4K, but most of the videos I take aren't in 4K anyway. So this is just a great little camera, and it's quite compact. It'll slot right in my pocket and not take up too much space. Sometimes if I'm going specifically to do a video project or take photos and stuff, then I'll swap out the G9X for the G7X Mark III. This one, just a bigger sensor, more zoom, the screen that folds out. It's just a better camera, but not quite as compact, so that one only comes with me if I'm specifically needing it. And sometimes I'll also swap out both of those for the GoPro. This is the GoPro 8 Black. I'll upgrade to the 10 at some point, or 11 I think we're up to, but at this stage this one does the job. It's got a few issues, but it does the job mostly, and yeah, it's still good to have. So that is what I'm carrying in my pocket now that I've laid it all out. It looks like quite a lot of stuff, but it fits in the pockets of my jeans or my shorts quite easily, and it covers a lot of circumstances for what I could need, and for what this doesn't cover, I've got my little kits that I carry around in my backpack. Again, there's a link up there if you want to watch that video. But otherwise, thank you for watching, and if you've got any questions about any of this stuff, let me know in the comments. Yeah, thank you.